Essence is carefully extracted. Here, each ruby arrow, preserving its integrity. Deep in fertile lands, our journey begins, where pomegranates thrive under the sun.
Only the finest fruits are chosen, hand-picked with care, ensuring peak ripeness.
From branch to crate, our precious harvest is gathered, ready for its next stage.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility, where nature's bounty meets innovative technology.
Upon arrival, every pomegranate undergoes rigorous inspection. Only the best are chosen. Our experts meticulously examine each fruit, ensuring it meets our exacting standards.
First, a gentle wash, removing any impurities, preparing the fruit for its transformation.
Advanced optical sorting ensures only perfect fruits continue, a testament to our precision.
All parameters are within tolerance. Quality is consistently excellent. Sorted and ready, our pomegranates await their next transformation in pristine silos. Now, the heart of our operation. Powerful machines begin the extraction process. The fruits enter our advanced juicing system, where pure essence is carefully extracted. Here, the pure juice begins to emerge, separated meticulously from every seed. See the vibrant essence flow, a testament to nature's purity, ready for refinement.
Pressure and temperature are stable. The process is running smoothly.
Pasteurization ensures purity and extends freshness, a vital step for quality. After pasteurization, every batch is sampled, undergoing rigorous quality assurance.
Rapid cooling preserves flavor and nutrients, locking in the natural goodness.
Multi-stage filtration refines our juice, achieving unparalleled clarity and taste. No microbial growth detected. Our juice is perfectly pure.
Our perfectly refined juice rests in sterile tanks, awaiting its final journey. Here, natural flavors and vital nutrients are artfully blended, perfecting our drink.
Pristine bottles embark on their journey, ready to embrace the elixir within.
A symphony of precision, each bottle filled to perfection, capturing vibrant purity. Filled and ready, our bottles move swiftly to sealing, preserving freshness. Each bottle is perfectly sealed, securing the freshness and our brand's promise. Next, our bottles receive their identity, ready for their distinctive label. Our signature label, a mark of luxury and quality, is flawlessly applied. From raw fruit to exquisite bottle, our delicious drink is now complete.
Label alignment perfect. No defects. Approved for packaging.
Robotic precision ensures each bottle is nestled perfectly, ready for its journey. A final, exquisite seal. Our promise of luxury, secured with precision. Our exquisite drinks, perfectly packaged, await their journey to discerning customers.
Beyond the factory, our story is told through elegant branding and captivating visuals.
Our journey continues as our premium drink sets off to reach the world. Back to the source, sustainable farming, the foundation of our exceptional quality. Every fruit is carefully nurtured, a testament to the dedication.
Landscape, our story captivates, inspiring discerning tastes.
The moment of choice. Our exquisite drink, now within reach, ready to be enjoyed.
Elevating every moment, our drink perfectly complements life's finest pleasures. A toast to life's exquisite moments, celebrated with our unparalleled taste.
Shared moments, unforgettable flavors. Our drink, the perfect companion for romance.
This pomegranate drink is absolutely divine.
To a successful year and the finest drink in the city. Cheers!
Pure essence, refined perfection. A moment of tranquility